Extruding surfaces from objects with dimensional constraints. Here we have a circle. Next, let's put a dimensional constraint in. So I'm going to switch over my workspace. So I'm going to come down here and switch to drafting and annotation. That will put me into my 2D mode. And when I get in my 2D mode, let's close this. And once I'm in my 2D mode, now I can go to parametric and go to a dimensional constraint. Now on the dimensional constraint, I want to go with a diameter. And to select the arc or circle, I'll pick that arc or circle. And I'll pick the dimension line location. Let's pick it right anywhere here. And you can see that I have a DIA of 30. And I'm going to say OK. And that's good. Now that I have that, I need to switch back to a 3D workspace. I'll go back to 3D modeling workspace. Now, when I go to use the extrude command, I'm over here and I'm going to use the extrude command. I pick on the extrude command. And let's try that one more time. The extrude command, there we go. And I want to go down to the mode option. And I'll click on mode. I want to go to the surface. And so now this is select objects. I'm going to pick on this particular object. And I'll say OK. And I'll hit enter. Now I'm about ready to make a surface here, but I want to go down to my expression option. I'm going to come down here, click on expression, and in the expression I'm going to type in my DIA, and then 1, it's diameter 1, divided by 2. And I'm going to hit, you can see that, I'm right down here typing it in. DIA 1 is my first dimensional constraint, and I'm going to divide it by 2. And I'm going to hit enter. And so now it just created the height of my extrusion based on it'll calculate the height being half that of my diameter. So let's check that out. Let's pick on it. Let's right click. Let's right click. Ooh, hang on, let's pick on it. Let's right click. Let's go to properties. And we can see in here that in my geometry, the height is 1.5